Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Observe the figure, then find x, y and z values. Here M is a one straight line and L is a one straight line. Here 110 degrees y, x, z. You find the x, y, z values. From the figure, x is equal to 110 degrees. Vertically opposites are equal. So, here x and 110 degrees is equal and also z is equal to y. So, you find the sum. See here y plus, because y plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Here y is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Here minus means this is a negative, this is positive value. Change to equal to right hand side, then we will get the minus value. So minus 110 degrees. 180 minus 110 degrees is y is equal to 70 degrees. Y is equal to 70 degrees. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So z is equal to y. So z value is 70. Hence x is equal to 110 degrees, y is equal to 70 degrees and z is equal to 70 degrees. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.